everyone, start off by taking this fruit, cut it up into half and then cut off the peel of it. Now once you're done with the sides, move on to the edges of it and then make it a curved edge. Remove the rest of the peel, whatever is remaining. Now once you have removed each of these sharp edges and after it has become curved, take the blade and then make small slices out of it and then push the small slices outwards as such, around the edges. Now once you are done with this, cut out an inner layer of it. Once you are removing these inner layers, do this all around and make sure that there are no protruding edges. Once you are done with this, move on to the top and once more curve the top edges as such. After you are done with this, once again begin to make slices on the inside and then push it outside. Once you are done with this, remove another layer from the inside and then moving on to the top edge, continue to curve the edges. Begin to make slices once again after you are done with this, and as you move more towards the center, it becomes smaller and smaller until you completely remove the center as such. Curve all of the ends of each of these petals that you have created and then add a center to it. You may do this using leaves or any other small object. This will be the final look of your flower. Next, we will take a little carrot and then cut off two ends of it as such. Take a gourd and then afterwards, taking the carrot, use a marker or a pencil and then make these markings on it. You made a square with a check shape onto it. After you're done with this, cut out this in the shape that you have created. Now, after you've cut out all four sides as such, this is what you should be left with. Do the same for the gourd and then once again, this is what you should be left with. After you're done with this, move on to the gourd and then continue to do the same onto the gourd. Now, begin to make diagonal lines across each of the squares that you have created on both the carrot and the gourd. Now continue on and then do this for the other sides as well. Now it should become a slightly more angular cube as such. Now once you are done with it, this is what it should look like. Once again, draw a square in the center of it and then begin to make markings out of it. We have drawn a square and a triangle and now we are cutting out the square as such using the same blade. Now cut out the triangle of it as well. Remove it once you have cut it out and then make it as even as you possibly can. You may also pop out the triangle from the inside as such. This is what we have done for both of our vegetables. Now after you are done with this, leave a little circle on the inside and remove the excess pieces that are left out. This is what it should begin to look like, and keep shaving the sides so that the circle inside is much smaller and it is left in a cage and the ball is left in the cage as such. Don't forget to trim the edges. Next, we'll be taking a little carrot and then make slices out of your carrot. Now, taking one of the slices, make a hole in the middle as such. Cut off the entire center of it. Do this for your other slices as well. We have taken 3 of them. Now, taking the carrot, make these small slits in it and then remove it as such. Make them internal and external. We have made them of both kinds. Now, once you are done with this, take out all of the pieces that you have cut off and then do this for all 3 of the pieces. Once you are done with this, you may take a little ball shape out of a different fruit. We have taken a purple fruit or vegetable. And now add the circle shape on top of the other as such. Now insert your ball on the inside before you do so, and this is what you should be left with. It should not be able to come on the outside. Next, we will take any kind of gourd, start off by making a cut through it as such. Now, make a slice in the side as such and afterwards make 2 layers out of it. Make a very thin slice and then at the back make curved edges. Now, cut out 3 circles on the sides. Make multiple slits on it as well. Open it out and you should be left with a butterfly. Take a gourd, slice it in half as such, and then make a line straight through it, and then cut it out in this shape accordingly. Next, use a carrot, and then once again make a slice in this shape. Once you are done with this, attach the radish and the carrot together, and then use the carrot as the beak. Now make these shavings out of the tail of the bird that you are creating as such, and then make a small slit in it as such. Now add this as the legs. Now take another white part of your radish or your white vegetable that you have chosen, and then make multiple lines on it as such. Make them in spike lines, and then add them as the wings on either side of it. Now you may use this in your land and then stick them on the top to make it look like it is flying. This will be the final look of our artwork. Thank you for watching.